Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the private healthcare system. Private healthcare system provide the all facilities regarding to the public health and fulfill the public requirement and pay the appropriate amount of fee. In the private system, new and improved quality equipment and hygienic system provide to the patient and also provided the proper and counsel medication by the pharmacist or nurses. Private sectors provide the suited aeration condition, proper ventilation, neat and clean places for the patient and guardians. In the private sector, well-educated and trained medical professionals are diagnosed patient and provide the personalization attention to the patient. During the admit condition, it provides the different facilities like general ward, private ward and special ward accordance to our budget or fee payment. Staffs, doctor, nurses, pharmacists and workers are very active in private and timely checkup the patient conditions and provide the sufficient drug doses and treatment. Private sector provide the quick treatment during the emergency condition or trauma and also provide the successful surgery. Next is the public healthcare system. All people are not afford high payment or fee, so the government open up new public healthcare system to fulfill the poor and needy persons need for their treatment. These systems are very helpful in rural area. In public sector, many advancement equipment and hygienic materials are provided by the government for the checkup and diagnosis of the patient. In public sector, also appointed well-educated and trained medical professionals, doctors, nurses and pharmacists. In public system, medication and checkup facilities provide without any fee or payment. OPD and IPD systems are always open timely to timely and emergency ward are always open for curing of patients. In public health care, primary, secondary, tertiary facilities are provided according to the patient condition and needs. Government also provided the regular vaccination and separate the different departments according to patient need like cardiology department, ophthalmology department, oncology department, tuberculosis department, gynecology departments. So in today's class I discuss about the public healthcare system and private healthcare system. These are both the type of private and public care. Thank you.